Hello my YouTube friends. I invite you to my kitchen where I will show you how to do a charcuterie board. Charcuterie is an art of assembling meat and cheese platters, and this art goes back to 15th century. There are 8 categories of food items that people usually use to make charcuterie board. Meat, cheeses, bread and crackers, fresh fruit, a variety of dried fruit, nuts, olives and pickles. Another type of food we serve on charcuterie board is various jams and spreads. I have 10 varieties of meat today. We also should use 5 types of cheeses: hard cheeses, firm cheeses, semi-soft cheeses, soft and blue cheeses. This is a suggested list of various cheeses, and this is what I have. I have mozzarella, mascarpone, I have asiago cheese, parmesan, and many more. To serve my cheeses and meat and fruit, I need something to put my items on. It can be a tray without a rim or with a rim, a cutting board, and I will show you later in more detail what I am using to serve my food. I will use this tray with a rim to assemble my cheese platter. And first I will arrange my cheeses. To make my board visually appealing, I always use an odd number of cheeses. In this case, I will use 5 varieties. And these 5 varieties from different types of cheeses: hard, soft, blue. I will first cut my cheeses and place them at different locations on my board. I arranged my cheeses like that. I will also use these crisps and assemble them on my board. I added sweets, nuts, and I filled all empty spaces with fresh fruit, dry fruit, and nuts. I will use this board to do only meats and other items, but no cheeses on this board. First, I will place my green olives and calamati olives, and I will arrange my meats around them. My meats are arranged. Now I will fill all empty spaces with fruit, dried fruit, and nuts. This board is also ready. I will use this big round board to do meat and cheese board. So it will be ultimate charcuterie board with meat and cheeses and all other types of food. I also used 5 cheeses on this tray. I arrange my meats. My board is ready. All my charcuterie boards are ready. I also did a vegetable board with a dip. If some people don't eat meat, so they can eat cheeses, fruit, nuts, and vegetables. On this cute table, I have pickles, I have pickled cabbage, an appetizer with eggplant. Well, this is my ultimate charcuterie board, and I believe this can be a very good substitution for a traditional dinner, and it can serve a lot of people. Last word of advice: you would like to provide some knives for cheeses and small forks, so people don't get over your food, but use these utensils to serve themselves.